What's up, everybody? It's your girl Shesmonroe, and I am back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how I dyed this wig blue from Omghair collection. This is a full lace wig. Here's everything you're going to need. I have my indigo blue and my royal navy for the colors, and then you want to go ahead and have some shampoo so that you can go ahead and wash that blue out. Here I'm just showing you that scalp honey. This wig is full lace. I'm just showing you right here how I'm going to mix it up and start bleaching. Everything is very self-explanatory, but when you're bleaching, you don't want to get too close to the knots of the scalp because you don't want that wig to be bleachy. But I'm just going to go ahead and do this all throughout the hair, and then you all will just see the steps to achieving this royal navy. So I did section the hair off in parts just so that I can keep track of what I was doing. You can see there, I did go ahead and get that fully bleached, and I left that in there for about like an hour because I really wanted it to take as possible as it can. You can see this is the color I achieved. I didn't get too close to the roots. I still wanted it to have that natural scalp look without me over processing that part. So I then section the hair off into 4. I take my royal navy. I'm going to go ahead and start coloring from the root. I'm not going to get close to the root because once again we don't want our wig too blue, but I am going to go ahead and do the rinse all the way down to the middle. I'm not going to go all the way. I'm just going to go halfway, and I'm going to go ahead and do that throughout the wig. You're going to leave the other half for your second color that you're going to be dyeing your wig. And as you can see here, I did go ahead and color that royal navy halfway. You can see some of the tips are still blonde. So next, we're going to go ahead and get our indigo blue, and you're going to finish the rest of the ends, just coloring the hair. And when you're doing this color, you want to make sure that you are getting as much color in on the wig as possible, because you can have this process in and then wash it out and still have like some brown patches, yellow patches in there, and we don't want that. We want our wig to be fully covered with our royal navy and our indigo blue. So as you can see, I did go ahead and drench that. I then took 2 shower caps and put it over, and I let this sit overnight. So this was a 2-day process. This is the next day. I started finishing my wig. As you can see, the color did take. This is the color that we achieved. What I'm going to do, I'm going to then go ahead and start blow drying this out, just so that we can go ahead and see that color come through. And as you see, as I'm blowing, I did use a spiral brush just because I really wasn't trying to put any heat into my wig as much as possible. Like, I was trying to stay away from it. So this is the final color. Let me tell y'all something. This process was not easy at all. Okay, so I did the coloring. As you see, it's blue. This is the back. I had a lot of complications with doing this color as well. I over processed like one part of my hair, so I had sewn tracks in the back of the wig cap. I just wanted to show you all guys the color. I didn't install it yet. I'm about to install it. I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond to I'm making the wig glueless. Let me keep it like that. The only parts I'm gluing down are my sides. I already prepped my hair, and I put like my wig cap on underneath, as well as I sewn a band on because I wanted it to be glueless. Like, I want to remove the wig, but it's just only the sides that I would have to glue down. But I don't know how I'm gonna wear the hair yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do it straight. Let me tell y'all something. My plucking skills are not up there yet. So don't be like, oh, she didn't pluck her wig. Who cares? My hair still look bomb. But it's really late. I've been working on this wig. This is my birthday wig. I'm gonna go ahead and do all this off camera. This is my first time coloring, cutting, doing all this with a wig. Like, I cut some layers in there. I'll probably cut some more, but I want to go ahead and actually get it glued down so I can see what it looks like, and then go ahead and get my baby hairs done. But this is the color. I love it. Like, it's so different. I got tints of green, purple, blue, but you know, they always say mistakes are like the best process. Well, I was going to show you all how I did it, but since this is like my first time, I want to actually do this alone and show you all what it looks like. Okay guys, this is the final look. It's like I have to really style it, so it's glued down. I did go ahead and attempt to do baby hairs. I'm gonna redo them because I put the foam on there, and yeah. So this is the hair. This is my first wig, so let me tell y'all, I did bomb, and I know I did bomb. I really don't know how I'm gonna style it. I think I'm gonna pluck it some more just because I have it on my head now, but I do want to have it like, I don't know, I love like deep side parts, so I was thinking of like putting the hair like this, and then I may cut it shorter and like flip it. I just gotta fix it more. For now, it's going in this middle part. I'm super excited because it came out bomb. It's my install, my color, and everything. So this is my birthday hair, and I hope you guys like this. If I end up styling it, I will come back because I am going to do a review on the hair. I got the hair from OMG, so the hair will be styled different. It's late as hell right now. I just wanted to go ahead and get this install done. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you turn on that little tinger bell. You know, I'm gonna be dropping more videos. I just been busy with life, like. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for just showing love and support. I love you all.